Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel.
So in today's video I've got a very exciting announcement, and that comes in the form of an unpackaging. So I know what's in here because I can recognise the sender's address, but I'm not 100% sure what is in here. This is either going to be November's Bull and Bear bar or the copper bar that I picked up from Valui. So I'm not 100% sure what's in this one, but I know what's in here. But either way, both of these unpackagings today are very, very exciting. So let's get straight into it. Now we'll save this one till last because I'm very excited to announce this. And let's have a little look at this one first. Now this is from, like I said, Valui. And it's either going to be November's spot price bar, which if it is, I'm not prepared for that because I haven't got the box to hand. So yeah, that's going to be a bit tricky if it's the Bull and Bear bar, because I wasn't kind of expecting that today. But now I've seen that there's two. Ah, it is. Okay, right, so this video is actually going to be bigger and better than I first thought. I think we'll start with the copper bar. I'm very, very excited to see this in the hand. I actually picked up two of these, one for myself and one for Silver Sins. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I will tag it in today's video description. Silver Sins has been around in the community for quite some time now. He used to regularly make uploads on his YouTube channel, and he had a little break from YouTube and he's recently returned. So as a way of welcoming him back to YouTube, I actually got Valui to send him a personalised copper bar. So like I said, I will leave that video in today's video description if you haven't seen it. But let's have a look at the one that I got. Now this is really cool. This is a placemat that they've included. Really, really nice, like a cork placemat. That'll definitely come in handy. In here, packaged extremely nicely and stuck down to the bottom so it's not going to go missing, is the first time Valui, I believe, has released a copper bar. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments section if anyone from Valui is watching today's video. Oh, this is so good. It's got a really nice bit of weight to it. A little bit of a zoom. Love these little bags that they put all of their products in. Wow, look at that. So it's 250 grams. This is number 14. I can't remember how many they made in total. They did a limited run of these. I believe they're making some more. Ah, it's personalised. I forgot it was personalised. I remember asking for Silver Sins on his, but I couldn't remember if I'd asked for 365 on mine. That looks so good. Wow. What an incredible piece. Look at that. Really, really cool. Absolutely love that. So glad I picked one up. They went flying off the shelves when these first got announced. And like I said, I do believe they are doing another batch. But the first batch literally flew off the shelves. Really, really nice piece of copper. And that's Valui's website down the bottom there. So that is the first unboxing. Make a little bit of space at the back there. Look at that. That looks so good. I love the look of copper. It looks so good, especially in videos. It just, yeah, it really shines nicely. Where should we put the placemat? Should we leave it there? I haven't got a drink to go on it today, but we'll leave it there anyway. Right, what should we do next? Let's do the spot price bar next. Let's do this. I'm going to have to nip off in a minute and grab the box for this because I haven't, like I said, I haven't got that to hand because I wasn't expecting this in today's video as well. I can't believe how close we are getting now to finishing this collection. This is November's, one more month left. Oh, really cool. A limited edition poker chip. I've got a couple of those, so that's cool. I can give one of these out to someone in the community. We'll showcase them a little bit closer in a minute. Oh, look, we've got another placemat. A Bull and Bear placemat. Look at that. How cool is that? We almost missed that in there. Wow, okay, that is really cool. We've got two placemats on the go. Thank you very much, Valui. Very, very cool. But we'll pop those over to one side. Let's have a quick look at the poker chip, actually. Let's have a little zoom in. Wow, these look really cool. Look at these. Very, very cool. Now, these are limited edition poker chips. I believe everyone gets 2 of them. So they can keep hold of one and they can give one to someone else in the community. Very, very nice. Bull and Bear poker chips. So I'll add those to my collection. Well, I'll add one to my collection and I'll send one out to someone. But let's get into the bar. Now, like I said, we're coming very close to the end of this series. I've really, really enjoyed collecting these. I've really enjoyed working alongside Louis to produce these. It's been a really good year to actually bring out these bars because the spot price of silver has been extremely interesting this year. We've had some really large rises and some really large falls as well along the way. But to think we started the year at £23 an ounce and we're now bouncing around £40 is just crazy. A very nice size one, 36.1 grams. And look at that. We have November's spot price bar. On the first trading day of November, the spot price was £35.30. And that was an increase of 5.76% from the previous month. Really, really cool. I'm just going to lock the focus a little bit there, just so I can get a nice photo. Absolutely stunning. Really, really enjoying collecting these. It will be a shame when the series is done because it's something to look forward to every single month. But let's add that to the box. And like I said, I'm not prepared for this at all. So I'm going to pause the video and then, I'm going to pause the video. So I've got a lot of stuff to move to actually get to it. So I'll be right back. Right, I'm back. So here is the box that they all go in. 365 Days of Silver, Spot Price Bars 2025, produced by Louis Silver. Now let's have a, don't know why that's in there. Oh, look. Oh, right, let's pop that over there. I'm not sure why that's in there. But yeah, here we go. So this is the set so far. Like I said, in January, we started at £23 an ounce. Last month, we closed at 35.27. And this is actually another slight increase to £35.30. So really, it's only gone up 3 pence in a month, which is really interesting. Now, we did actually see silver hit £40 an ounce. I think it might have even stretched up to £41 an ounce. But none of these bars reflect that because this reading is taken at the very first trading day of the month. So as the month went on, it went up to £40 and then it's actually gone back down. So you can see the actual change from the whole month is only 3 pence, which is really, really interesting. No, that's wrong, isn't it? I'm just thinking in my head, hang on a minute, how comes it's gone up 3 pence but 5.76%? And I've just realised it hasn't. It actually went up £37. It went up to £37.30. So this is the very first mint era spot price bar. So I'll have to reach out to Nick after filming today's video. I'll have to send this one back. Unfortunately, this will have to be melted down. So I don't know how easy it will be for him to get that. Maybe you can sand that down, I'm not too sure. But if you sand it down too much, then the weight won't match up. So yeah, that's a shame. It's actually £2 out. So it should have been £37.30. So yeah, we won't add it to the box in today's video. We'll have to reach out to Nick over at Louis and get this one sent back. So there we go. the very first time that's happened in the whole collection. So I think Nick's done extremely well to get this far without making any mistakes. So there we go. Yeah, that confused me a little bit. I was thinking, hang on a minute, how comes it's only gone up 3p, but then the percentage has gone up 5%? It doesn't really make sense. So yeah, that's why it doesn't make sense, because that is slightly out. That should say £37.30. I really hope he hasn't sent too many of these out, because it's going to have to be a bit of a recall jobby. So there we go. But we'll let Nick off, because Nick has actually been very poorly over the last few weeks. So yeah, we'll let him off on this one. But yeah, that's a shame. So we can't add it to the collection this time round. So we will pop it over the back there, and we'll take this box away for now. But let's have a grand finale. And the grand finale, and these things happen when you're filming live kind of unboxings. You're not always going to get everything running smooth. So yeah, that's the reality. But let's get straight into this. Now this is very exciting. This is a special release from Liquid Metals UK. It's a Stackers Social Christmas release. And when I unpackage this in a minute, Cider Soundman and the Stack Collector are going to be very, very jealous, because Liquid Metals reached out to me and he said, I want to send my favourite co-founder, the very first one to showcase and announce properly on my channel. No, I'm only joking. He didn't say that, but he did reach out, which is very nice of him. And he said, would you like the first one to be able to announce it properly on YouTube and be able to showcase it? And I said, yes, that would be absolutely amazing. So what he's done is he's sent me the very first one of the newly released Stackers Social Christmas colorized silver rounds. Now this is the first. We haven't actually up till now released any colorized silver Stackers Social products. So this is a exclusive for Stackers Social. Really, really cool piece. These are actually really time consuming and take a lot of logistics to produce these. You have to actually design that. So Liquid Metals UK designed this. This is the classic Stackamon from the Stackers Social Pokemon card. He redesigned it to give it a Christmas theme. And then he had to actually get someone to produce this UV. I don't know how it actually secures onto the silver, but it's like a UV thing, like a coating that goes onto the silver. So yeah, it's quite a lot of work goes into producing these, and these are actually going to be for sale on next Monday, so Monday the 24th of November at 10 AM. So I believe they'll be launched via Liquid Metals UK's website, so stay tuned, keep an eye on the website on the 24th of November at 10 AM. And as you can see, number one, and that is out of 25. So there's only 24 of these left. Brits and Sov's got the prototype, which is really cool to have in the collection. And I believe there's 25 of the 1 ounce, and I think he's doing maybe 5 in 2 ounce, and they look really cool, really chunky pieces. So what a stunning release from Liquid Metals UK. I'm not actually going to take it out of the capsule. I'm going to leave it in the capsule because you can see it perfectly fine through the capsule, and I don't want to damage this layer. I know this is very versatile, this layer on here, but I just don't want to risk scratching it or anything like that. So I'm going to keep it in the capsule, keep it looking pristine, and this will get added to my Stackers Social treasure chest. Absolutely stunning. Really, really cool. So jump into Stackers Social. If you're not a member already, the link will be in today's video description. It's a free to join Discord group. That's really cool. Look at that. And that will keep you up to date with all the latest releases, anything we're working on. That's where we announce stuff first. So well worth getting involved, and it's a really, really great community. So that is today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I'm a little bit gutted that I can't put this in the box. I'm not going to lie. I really love putting these in the box, and it's a real shame because this is such a nice looking one as well. It looks absolutely flawless, but yeah, that's a real shame. But there we go. These things happen. So I will message Nick after filming, like I said, today's video, and we'll get that sorted. Hopefully, like I said, he hasn't sent too many out. Normally he sends my one out slightly before everyone else's so that I can showcase it on a video. So hopefully, if I quickly get to him, he hasn't actually done too many just yet. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support. Please like, share and hype the video if it gives you the option to. And I hope you have a very nice weekend.